Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk. Diddy the magic monk.
Okay, so the first problem that I ran into, I'm not sure if I can recreate it, is it keeps randomly touching things on the screen. So I'm going to go into settings. Wow, it's broken. I'm also going to change the charger because the charger currently belongs to another camera. So let's change the charger. So this charger has a sticker around it. You have to peel the sticker off first. Finally push it in. Okay, it goes in very hard. See if it works a little bit better. Recording already. Alright, actually it looks like it's a lot better than before. Okay, so all the problems were coming from the fact that I used the wrong charger. Go into settings, start recording, settings, format, yes, okay. Format the SD card. Done. Okay, so it's recording. So after a while, we will come back to show you the new results.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.